वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सोत्रं सोत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तादुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
तथ्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्पितौ
अनुदात्तौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् बदधान्शान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मां बददाशाभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातोः कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायं वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
उप आत्मनः च
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
पमानादाचारे
अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुः सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्षिप्त्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः कुलिभावक्तव्यः
दृशादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषाद्भ्यो भुव्यच्युर्लोकशहलः
लोहितादिडाज्भ्यक्यश
लोहितादिर्दाढ्यः क्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणोर्मन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणोरोमन्ततपोभ्यां वर्तिचरो
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्गमने
बाष्पोष्माभ्यामुपमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्डमेघेऽभ्यःखरणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकम्बमिगेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहत्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञाह्य च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिङ्
पुच्छभारुचीवरान्निम्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृतस्तुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलग्नव्रतवस्त्रहलकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो च
धाथो धातोरेखा चोहलादेख्रिया समभिहारेयम्
धातुरेका चोहलादेक्र्या समाभिहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गताम्
विल्पसदचरजपजबदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
उपसदचर्जपज्जभदः दशघ्रेभ्यो भावगर्भाय
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलश्लोकसेनालोमत्पच वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो च
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वा च वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो च
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
कण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
कन्द्वादिभ्यो यक्
गुपोद्धूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
गुपोद्धूपविचिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
ऋतेरीयम्
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णि
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
अयादय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
स्यतासीर्लृटोः
स्यतासीर्लृटोः
सिब्बकुलं लेटि
सिब्बहुलं वेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लटि
इयादेश्च गुरुमतो दृच्छः
जाद्यश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
तयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
भीह्रीभृहुवांश्लुवच्च
पीहोयभृहुवं श्लुवच
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
किञ्चान् प्रयुज्यते लृटे
विदाङ्कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
इदं कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां व्रजनयां चकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विरामकृन्विति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमायकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामप्रनिच्छन्दसि
चलीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेघेस्य च
श्लेहेसि च
शलैकपदात् अनिटः सः शलैकपदा अनिटः सः
शलैकोपधा अनिटः
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
शलैकुपदात् परैकपदादनिटः ओके न दृशः
न दृशः
निश्रीदृसुभ्यः चङ्
निःश्रीदृस्त्रुभ्यः कार्तरीच्छं
विभाषाध्येष्व्योः
विभाषादेच्छ्रुयोः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
रूपेश्छन्दसि
नोनयत्तिध्वनयत्येलयर्दयतिभ्यः
मोनयति ध्वनयत्येलाद्यर्दयतिभ्यः
अस्यति वक्तिक्यादिभ्योऽङ्
पश्यति वक्तव्यादिभ्यो
लिपिसिचीयह्वश्च
लिपिसिजीवश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेशोत्तरस्याम्
उषादिवितालोदितः परस्मै पदेषु
उषादिद्विताद्यलरिद्वितः परस्मैपदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यतिभ्यश्च
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थ्यश्च
इरितो वा
ऋतो वा
जृस्तम्बु मृचु म्लचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च
त्रैस्तम्भो मृचो मृचो गृचो मृचो गृञ्चो श्रिभ्यश्च
कृमृद्ररुगिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृमृद्रोहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
शिण्टे पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिभ्यायिभ्यो न्यतरस्याम्
अकर्मकर्तरि
चः कर्मकर्तरि
दुहश्च
शुभश्च
नरुधः
नरुदः
तपोनुतापे च
तपोनुतापे च
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
वादिभ्यश्यन्
बाभ्राश भ्राश भ्रमु क्रमु क्लमून्त्रसि त्रुटिलषः
वा भ्राश ब्लाश भ्रमु क्रमु क्लमु त्रसि त्रुटिलशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
सोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
विन्यसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वाद्भ्यश्नुः
श्रुवश्र च
श्रुवश्र च
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
शून्यत्रस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तुदादिभ्यश्यः
तदाभ्यश्यः
रुधादिभ्यश्नम्
तदाभ्यश्नम्
तनादिकृङ्भ्यः उः
तनादिकृभ्यः ॐ
धिन्वि कृन्व्योरच
विङ्विङ्कृभ्योर च
कर्यादिभ्यश्ना
क्रियादिभ्यश्ना
तन्भूस्तुम्भूस्कन्भूस्कुम्भूस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
हलश्नशानज्जौ
अलश्नश्चानज्जौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि शायजपि
त्ययो बहुलं
व्यत्ययो बहुलं
लिङ्ग्याशिष्यं
विज्ञाशीर्ष्यं
कर्मवर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपकर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपकर्मकस्यैव
न दुगस्नो नमामि यक्षिणौ
अदोहस्नु नमाम्यक्षिणां
कुशीरञ्जोः प्राचांस्यन् परस्मै पदं च
कुशीरञ्जोः प्राच्यां परस्मैपदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमी स्थम्
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
कृदतिङ्
कृदतिं
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
वासरूपो स्त्रियाः
यस्मात् प्रत्ययविधि तदादि प्रत्यय अङ्गम् beautiful definition of anga what anga is then angasya adhikara then iko guna vriddhi igantasya angasya guna vriddhi bhavati means then we have to take igantasya angasya paribhasha गुणादेशः वृद्धि आदेशः यत्र गुणादेशः वा वृद्धि आदेशः निर्दिष्टं भवति तत्र स्थाने एव आदेशः भवति इति अस्य सूत्रस्य अर्थः परिभाषासूत्रम् गुणवृद्धेः or this गुणवृद्धयोः निषेधः कदा भवति यदि प्रत्ययः कित्वा ङित्वा गित्वा इति we have seen right सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुक प्रत्ययोः that also I think we have seen when a sarvadhatuka what vibhakti is this sarvadhatuka ardhatukayoh 7384 sutra number in what section adhikara just gone before what is that
सप्तमी
saptami okay very good 7 to what adhikara
This also Angasya Dikara.
angasya is important so angasya so that is why angasya ikaha igantasya angasya antima varnasya sthane सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुक प्रत्ययोः परयोः आदेशः गुणादेशः भवति right
Yes.
follow when सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुक प्रत्यय आर्धधातुक what is सार्वधातुकम् already we have seen तिंशित् सार्वधातुकम् तिंशित् सार्वधातुकम् आर्धधातुकम्
शेषः
शेषः so then next one is puganta lagu padasya cha that also gunaha bhavati gunaha coming as anuvritti midair gunaha from that sutra gunaha word coming as anuvritti when a sarvadhatuka radhadhatuka pratyaya follows the anga ending with the equal letter that iko guna prati paribhasha to be understood here to be brought in so angas igantasya angasya gunaha bhavati then puganta lagu padasya there also gunaha adesha gunaha vritti anuvritti is puk anta that we have to see upada we know what is upada lagu upada meaning what is lagu rasvam lagu we have seen
Yes, the penultimate is a short.
rasvaha then upadha is penultimate yes halontyat purva upadha
Yes.
okay the didi vevitam also just it's a negation we saw iko guna vriddhi didi vevitam I think the sutra I removed but I will add it that also then that sutra 7385 also we are not interested in that just jagr is an dhatu jagr is a dhatu ekal anekal anekal dhatu iti etasya angasya gunaha bhavati except Avichin Nal Nitsu. When a Sarvadhatuka Pradhatuka Pratyaya follows, except when the exception is V, Chin or Null or Nit Pratyaya follows. It will not happen. Don't worry, we are not interested in that. Just a negation. Not negation, except when this pratyaya follows, it will not happen. Otherwise, it will happen. Other pratyas following, sarvadhatuka, adadhatuka, it will happen. More on that, we will see. Context will come because we don't know what these pratyas are. How can we see that? Just introduction. Then Puganta Laghupadasya, this is important. Here, Puganta. What is Puganta? Puganta
Puk.
is
Agama.
In English, Puk Agama.
Puk Anta Puganta. What's in the gesture? Right?
Yes.
Kakara replace Gakara. So what is Puk? Puk is Pung. Content is Pakara. Sorry, yeah. Content is Pakara and the Agama is Kit Agama. Content is Pakara, right? And the Agama is what Agama? It's a Kit
Kit.
Agama.
Kitagama. Yes.
So Pugantasya, number one, and Lagu Upadasya. Lagu Upada is Upada, which is a Lagu, Rasvam, short. We'll take Guna Vriddhi. Then we have to bring in the Iko Guna Vriddhi Paribhasha. So Guna Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati, Gunaha Bhavati. The rule is Pugantasya, Lagupadasya, Gunaha Bhavati. Where is Gunaha? Gunaha coming as Anuvritti from Sutra 82. So when Guna is ordained as Adesha, then we have to bring in ik letter. So Lagu Upada has to be, Lagu is Rasvam Lagu, but it doesn't include A because Guna Adesha will come in the place of only ik letter. Therefore, Lagu ik, that is Rasva ik. Understand? That has to be
Yes.
the
Understood.
Upada, the penalty made. That is why we have seen already. That's why we say always Rasvaik Upada, Rasvaik Upada. It is Lagu Pada. Lagu Padasya Gunaha Bhavati Sarvadhataka Adhataka Pratyaho. That is one part of the Sutra. Okay. The second part is Puganta. So that we will see. Puganta is Kit, it's a Kittagama. So where the Kittagama will come, which place of the Sthani?
Adyan. Adyan tau takitau.
Adi Anto Takito end. Ante. Not Adi. Right? If
Yes.
Tittagama, it will come at the beginning of the Sthani. And this is a Kit Agama, therefore comes at the end of the Sthani, right?
Yes.
So what is a Sthani here? Good question. Under what Adhigara is there?
Angas.
Angasya.
So Angasya Antima Varna is a Sthani. Anga is the whole Anga is a Sthani. So comes after the, not Antima Varna. Anga is a Sthani. Therefore comes after the Anga. Last letter of the Anga. Right?
Yes.
Anga is a Sthani. Angasya Pukkagama Bhavati means. So comes after the last letter of the Anga. We'll see. And the compound also you see. Puki Antaha Pugantaha. Ki means what? What is Puki? What is
Saptami.
Puki?
No.
No. Yeah. Saptami Tatpurusha is correct. But what is Puk? Takara is italatal. Right? Puki Antaha Pugantaha.
Nakara counts.
Nakara, why? Pakara is the content. Nothing is Kakara is italatal. To show you that is as a type.
Okay.
Should be Pug. We like this, sorry. So Puki Antaha, that is Anta. Anta will be Puki Anta. That is Puk Agama will be there at the Anta. That's called Puganta. Puk Agama, when it will come, that we will see. Okay. Then what is Lagu? Lagvicha Asopada. Lagvicha Asopada, Lagu Pada. So it is lagu is short. Rasam lagu. Okay. And what is lagvi? The compound is given anyway. The compound we have not yet seen. This compound I have taken from some other source. So lagvi means short. Same meaning only.
Yes.
Lagvi chaso upada or lagu chaso upada. We can take no problem. Same thing. Same meaning only.
Kanam. Kanamadhare.
Same meaning. Lagavam in tadita form. It comes in Gita. Lagavam, small, light. That meaning.
Yes.
So same meaning. Lagu or lagvi. Just the same meaning. So there's no big thing. The same thing. Lagvi. Lagvi is upada is okay. You can say like this otherwise. Better. That is upada is this compound we have not seen. Upada is Sri Linga. And lagu is Ukaranta Shabda. Ukaranta Shabda lagu we can take like Denu Sri Linga. But here instead of Ukaranta, you're giving Ikaranta. Lagvi. Lagvi also same meaning. It is it's a Visheshana. See, the Karmadharya will be Visheshana. Karmadharya is a type of compound which we have not seen. We will be seeing that later. Upada is Sri Linga, therefore, in keeping with the Sri Linga, Lagvi also is put it in Sri Linga Bhakti, nothing else. Okay, in grammar, we don't have to see Linga and all. We can say Lagu plus Lagu Chaso Upada also, it is fine. Lagu Pada is going to be. But anyway, he has given Lagvi Sri Linga Rupam of Shabda Lagu. Lagu is Karanta Shabda. Lagvi. Again, what happened? Lagu Pada only it happens. In fact, Lagu can be converted to Sri Linga by adding E Pratyaya. I think so. Then you have Lag plus E. All these things are unnecessary in grammar. I don't know why it is given like that. Lagvi. Sri Linga Rupam of Lagu is Lagvi. If you take Lagu to be Pullinga, that can be converted to Sri Linga by adding Ni Pratyaya. That's how it is. But Lagu itself is adjective. I don't think it is required. But anyway, some book I found. So Lagvi Chaso Upada, Lagvi Upada. This is not essential now. Just if you are curious, you can note. I will anyway modify my notes later. Now, Pugantascha Lagu Padacha, Puganta Lagu Padam. Puganta Lagu Padasya is one word. What vibhakti is this? Puganta Lagu Padasya.
6-1.
6-1. Pratipadikam?
Lagu. Puganta
Puganta
lagu
Lagu Pada. Puganta Lagu Pada. That is Napumsakalinga if you take. What Napumsakalinga? Does it have any gender? But anyway, grammar we just take like that. Pugantascha Lagu Padacha. Pugantaha cha Lagu Padacha. Puganta Lagu Padam. Tasya Puganta Lagu Padasya. So Puganta Lagu Padam. Here Samahara Dandwa is taken. That's why Napumsakalinga. Yes. Samahara Dandwa. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmanau. Okay. So that is Iterator Dandwa some compound. But if it is Samagara, collectively if you say Panischa Padahacha Pani Padam, it becomes singular. I mean collective. So that's what he has done here. Compound, Samahara Dandwa compound. This part is out of scope. Anyway, there are extra information. Now, this vritti is what is important. You'll see from there. See, compound and all, we have to understand, study compound and then come and do this. That is not our scope. Simple compounds we can understand. Difficult compound, we can reserve it for the future classes. It's an elaborate topic. It's very interesting and a little complicated also.
Yes, but
Samahara Dvandva Samas.
these terms are familiar. We saw this when we studied in the Antu. Samahara Dvandva
It's
and Karmadharya.
Samahara Dvandva. Samahara Dvandva will be Napumsakalinga. Napumsaka Ekavachan. It's a rule. Two things are made into one unit. Two or more things made into one unit, and that will be Napumsakalinga ekavachanam. That's why lagu padam he says. Tasya. Jashti vibhakti. Lagu padasya. So now what is the meaning is Pugantasya Angasya. Puganta is what? Pugantasya Angasya Lagu Upadasya cha. So Anga ending with Puk. Puk is an Agama. So Anga ending with Puk Agama or Anga having the Upada letter Lagu. Rasva. Rasva letter. What Rasva letter? Does it can we take Ak? No, because Guna Adesha comes, therefore by Paribhasha, Iko Guna Vriddhi, you have to consider only equal letter. Understand? We don't consider Akara. Why? Because whenever Guna Adesha or Vidya Adesha is mentioned, it will happen only in the place of equal letter. And here Gunaha is coming as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. Guna Adesha happens when a Sarvadhatuka or Adhadhatuka Pratyaya follows. And the Anga is having Lagu Upada means then therefore we have to bring in the Paribhasha, Iko Guna Vriddhi. Therefore, Ikaha Lagu. It means Rasva Lagu Padasya. Anga ending with Anga having the penultimate letter Rasva Ik Upadha. Right? Ikagastane. That is Stani. When a Sarvadhatuka or Adhadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Gunaha Bhavati. Ik of Pugantanga. The Ik is okay. Pugantanga also taking Guna. There also we have to supply Ik. That is why Ik is common. Ik of Puganta. We will see example, you will understand. Anga having the Pukagama and the penultimate. If Pukagama is at the end, what is the content of Pukagama? Pakara, right?
Yes.
Therefore, the penultimate has to be either a vowel or a consonant. If there happens to be a vowel, the vowel has to be letter. That's what it means it. Letter. Okay. And does it, please note here, does it have a condition of Rasva? Does it have a condition of Rasvaik? No. Anga having Pukagama, right? Puganta Anga means
Okay.
Pukagama content is Pakara. Pakara will not take Guna. Pakara is a consonant. Okay.
Yes.
How Pakara will take. It means, therefore, you have to see the equal letter of the Puganta means a penultimate letter after the Gama. If that happens to be the equal letter means no, it's not given Lagu. So Lagu condition is not applicable. If it is a equal letter, then what happens? If it is equal letter, what happens? Then Guna will happen when Sarvadhatuka Adhadhatuka Pratyaya follow. This is point number one. And if the equal letter, if the Upada happens to be the Rasva equal letter, Lagu Ik, then also Anga will take Guna when a Sarvadhatuka or Adhadhatuka Pratyaya follow. Two things are said. Puganta Angasya Ikahastane Sarvadhatuka Adhadhatuka Pratyayoho Gunaha Adesha Bhavati. Number one. Number two is Rasva Ik Upadasya Angasya Sarvadhatuka Adhadhatuka Pratyayoho Parayoho Gunaha Bhavati. Now we will see examples for both. Suppose Lagu Upada. That is Anga having the Upada, the penultimate, which is a Lagu. Lagu means Rasva. Rasvam Lagu. And Guna going to come there. Guna is Yadesha, therefore, Viko Guna Vriddhi by the Paribhasha. Therefore, we have to understand Rasva Ik Upadha. You understand?
Yes.
Now, let us take example. Bid plus Lut. What is Lut Pratyaya? Lut is a what? Okay, what kind of Pratyaya is this? What type of Pratyaya? Lut. Sarvadhatuka, Adhadhatuka,
Ardhadhatuka.
Ardhadhatuka. And it is a Krit Pratyaya. Lut. Lut is added to the Dhatu. The sense of Bhave, generally. So Bidda plus Lut, Adhadhatuka. Now, when the Pratyaya follows, when a Sarvadhatuka, Adhadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Anga will take Guna. So rule. Now what rule will apply? Anga not ending with ik letter. But what is the penultimate? Penultimate is lagu upada and happens to be ik letter. Therefore, penultimate is ik letter lagu ik upada. When another dhatuka pratyaya follows, it is not a kit or git or ngit. Therefore, angakarya is not negated. Therefore, bid will become, b will
Bed.
become
Be. Be.
be. And the lu, that content is u becomes later by ana, that is separate sutra. We will see your onakau. Bed plus ana, you have bedana. That is a form. Bedana. Bid means, what is the meaning of bid? Vidyate hridaya grantiki chidyante sarvasham samshayaha. Bid. Vidyate, bid means to break, split, the meaning. Bid, separate, break, destroy, split, breaking. That's the meaning. Bid. So Vedana means breaking, splitting. Similarly, Krish plus step. This we know already, we have seen. But step by step we have to do. When a
Kartarisha.
Sarvadhatu, yes, very good. Sakartari Sarvadhatuke Shap. Then Shap comes. Then Krish is the Anga for Shap. Yasmat Pratyavadi Tadadi Pratyangam, by that. Krish is the Anga for Shap and Krish plus Shap is Anga for Tip. Krish being a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Pit Pratyaya, Angakarya is not negated. Angakarya will happen. And here we have Halanta Dhatu. Upada is Rasva Lagu Upada. Therefore, Rasva Ikupada. Not Rasva Lagu Upada. Rasva Ikupada. Therefore, Angakarya will happen. Therefore, Kru will be replaced by the corresponding guna letter. And Urandrapara also will apply. Therefore, Karsh plus Shap is Karsha. Karsha is the Anga for Tip. Angakarya, is it possible? Anga ending with what letter now? Why don't we apply the same sutra here? We cannot apply because it is not Igantanga. Even though Pratyaya is not Igantanga, therefore you cannot do it. Therefore, Karshati. Okay. Similarly, Pukkagama example, yes. Puganta example we'll see, and then okay, this also one more is in between. Then Kashika one explain small thing. Pugantasya angasya lagu padasya cha sarvadhatuka adhatuka pratyaya gunaha bhavati. Yes. Pratyaya dekhe anga avayasya cha aloho anantare sati lagu pada gunaha na vyavartyate. That is the pratyaya dekhe anga avayavasya pratyaya adihi. That is first letter of the pratyaya. And anga avayasya. That is the final letter of the anga and the first letter of the following pratyaya. If they form a antara, means no gap, then a consonant is followed by a consonant, then you cannot apply. It's called sanyoga, conjunct consonant. Then you cannot say the lagu pada of the anga. You cannot say it is dirgha, therefore it will not happen. You cannot say. Lagu pada of the anga doesn't load lagutvam by the sutra sanyoge guru. Now, example you can see, you will understand. Take the example of bidda plus trich. Okay. Now, bidda plus trich. Bakara plus ikara plus bakara bidda. Trich is takara plus vikara. Right? Now, what is E? This is the anga. This is the pratyaya. Pratyayasya adihi, then angasya avayavasya. There is no separation. It follows immediately, right? Pratyaya. Now, what sanya E will enjoy? Tell me. Supposed to enjoy.
Guru. Sanyogi.
Sanyoge Guru. If it is Guru, then how can you apply this rule? Pugantasya, Lagu Padasya, it's not Lagu Pada. It becomes Guru Pada. No. Here we should not consider this to be a guru and negate Angakarya. Here we have to consider it has to be Lagu only. That one small point, important point, Kashikakara mentions. Pratyadeghe angavivasya. Pratyadeghe angavivasya cha aloho. The consonants between, that is, beginning of the pratyaya and the avayava of the anga, that is the letter at the end of the anga, consonant. Anantariye, when there is no gap immediately following, then he should not consider the penultimate letter to be a guru by Sanyoge Guru. Still, it has to be considered Lagu only. Therefore, Angakarya will happen or not when followed by an Sarvadhatuka, Radhadhatuka Pratyaya. Here, Radhadhatuka Pratyaya. Is it a kit, git, or git? No. Therefore, Angakarya
Will happen,
happens
yes.
or not? Happens. When followed by a Pratyaya Trich, what happens? Bid plus Trich. The B will become A. Angakarya will happen. Bakara A comes. If you consider this as a guru, will A come? No. That is why Kashikakara has added a note. Therefore, you will have Betru. Bet. Understand?
I have a question.
Yes.
What is being considered to be guru?
Sanyoge
Because
Guru.
of
When
okay, Sanyogi Guru, I understand.
when the conjunct consonant follows the Rasva will get the Sanya, will enjoy the Sanya Guru. We have seen. If this
Okay.
enjoys Guru Sanya, then this Pratyaya cannot cause Angakarya. Therefore, we have to consider this E to be a Lagu only, not a Guru. Therefore, our
Understand.
Sutra Lagu Padasya will apply. E become a Vetru. So,
And
the Sutra has got two components. Lagu Padasya already we have seen many times, so you must be knowing. Now, Pugantasya, first time we are seeing, we'll talk about that. See, there,
Charanjit, one
yes.
question. This verb, this Kriya Padam in the Kashikakara, he says na vyavarta na vyavart.
Karmani Priyaha, na vyavartyate, Virtadatu. V A Purvaka Virtadatu. Doesn't lose. Vyavartyate is we are. Then what is the lang lakara of Virtadatu? You tell me.
Vartate.
Karmani Priyaha, okay. Not
Karmani
Kartari,
prayoga.
huh? Karmani.
Karmani vartyate.
No. Not theatre. Only Karmani will come. Please see Karmani. We have got the form here. Yes, here it is. Tell me. Karmani letter. Yes, sir. It comes, right? Vru. Vru plus yak
Yeah,
plus Vru plus yak plus
T.
te. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Vru plus yak plus te. Yeah. Vru will become sorry, it's not Karmani Priyaga, it is Kartari only. Shamita. You can take Kartari letter. Yeah. Karatari, which is not Lang Lakara, this is Lat Lakara only. Yes. So, Avartata, Avartetam, Avartanta, Avartase, Virtadatu, Nya na Vyavartyate, Vru dhatu becoming guna. Okay. I had to find out how it happens. Yeah. B plus, yeah. Then Vru becomes Var. Then, yeah. Please see. I think it must be a B plus. I'm just guessing. Okay. V Nijanta becomes, this becomes Vru becomes Upada is Vru becomes Vart. Vart plus E. The Nich Prataya. Varti. Varti plus Yak plus A, because of Yak, that E will go away. Therefore Varta. Therefore you have Vartyate. So V plus A, then Vya Vartyate. So Dhatu is Vrita Dhatu, Nijanta Rupama Vrita Dhatu. This is a
Oh,
okay.
Nijanta Rupa in Karmani Prayoga.
Yeah, Nijanta Karmani. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Vyavartanam. Vyavartanam. Vyavartakam. Vyavartaka is that which, Vyavartakam Visheshanam, we say. That which describes, that which distinguishes, that which separates, that which removes, that which distinguishes. That is a Vyavartakam Visheshanam, we say. Okay, distinguishes. Vyavartakam Visheshanam. Here Vyavartyate means there is no distinction. That is, idea is that Lagu Pada, Lagu Sanya is, Lagu Sanya doesn't go away, it's not removed. That's the meaning. Na Vyavartyate means, Lagu
Oh,
Upada Gunaha is not lost, not removed, is not taken away. That's the meaning.
understood. Very nice.
Okay.
Nice.
So you have to find out what Prayoga is that. It's a good question. I also have to think immediately. Don't have answer. Yavartanam is Yavartakam Vishanam also we say. Anyway, now coming back. This understand, right? This one Upaganta, Lagu Padasya, Puganta we will see. Further, we cannot see everything now. Difficult. I'll tell something that please note. Pukkagama, where it will come. For that, we have to see the section 3 only. 7.3. Puganta. This sutra example I'm taking. We have got many agamas in this section. One agama is Pukkagama. Please see. Arti, Hri, Vli, Ri, Knuyi, Kshma. All these are dhatus. Shmai. Atam. Last one is Atam. That is Akaranta dhatus. Arti is Ru dhatu. Hri dhatu. Vli dhatu. Hri dhatu. Knuyi dhatu. Then Kshmayi dhatu. Then Atam dhatu. Atam means Akaranta dhatus. All these dhatus will get, Akaranta dhatu is important, will get when nich follows. What is when now follows? What is now? What vibhakti now is? Now is what vibhakti? What vibhakti? What
Say,
Yeah, Vachanam. Gurau.
maybe
Sorry,
this is
Harau.
7-1 Nu.
Yeah, 7-1. So ni is a pratipadikam. When you decline like Arishabda, what is 7-1? Now 7-1 means what? It follows. Right? It follows what happens? Pung now. What is Pung now? Sandhi.
Now,
What Sandhi is that? You must know Sandhi. What is Pung now?
Puk plus now.
What Sandhi that? Kakara is replaced by
Gakara.
that is
Joshua.
by Jashwa Sandhi. After that, one more Sandhi is supposed to happen, but yes, not given. It's okay. If Gakara is a year letter, Yaraha Anunasike, Anunasiko Va, which should have become Pung now, it may not should have become. That is also possible. Pung now or Puk now. The Pukkagama is that's what he says. So atam is the sthani. Akaranta dhatu will take puk agama when ni follows. That is when nich ni now means nich pratyaya follows. Understand? I'll give one example. Then it becomes clear. Akaranta dhatu. I think I've given here the example not there, but I will do. Please see. I'll take one akaranta dhatu. Let us take the dhatu. We have the dhatu da dhatu, right? Da dhatu. Da plus, now let us do the nijanta of da dhatu. What is da meaning? What is da? Da means dane, to give, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That only we get dadati, no, dadati, dadataha, dadati, dattaha, dadati, we have the form. Okay.
Yes.
So da dhatu. Now nijanta, cause to give. So niche follows by the sutra, the same sutra. Atam. We need one last portion. Don't see the whole sutra. Whole sutra not required for us. But we are not interested in the sutra. Atam puk no. Atam is Shashti Bhakti. Puk is the Agama. Agama will come in the place of where? Stani. Last after Stani, right? Adyanta Takito. So Akaranta Dhatu, after that, when Nich Pratyaya follows, when now Pare, Puk Agama comes. Okay. That also you can note. Atam. We don't need the whole sutra. Atam, puk, now means what? When Nich Pratyaya follows, Akaranta Dhatu is there, will take what agama? Puk agama. Puk being Kit agama, it will come after the stani. I mean, at the end of the stani, right? Adyantau, takitau. Now Nich, right? The content of Nich is E. So you have Da plus E is Dapi. Now Dapi is a new Dhatu. By what sutra? Sanadyantaha Dhatavaha.
Yes.
Now we can decline Dapi plus tip. Dapi plus tip. What will happen? You tell me. Tip pratyay kartari sarvadhatake shab. Then Dapi is yanga for all those steps you have to follow. Dapi is yanga for shab.
Sure.
Dapi plus shab is yanga for Yasmat pratyavidi tadadi pratyaye angam. Dapi plus shab is yanga for tip. When sarvadhataka pratyaya and pit pratyaya follows and anga ending with what sutra you have to apply now? What sutra?
Ikaha Gunavriddhi. Because last is the ik,
Yeah.
then we make the vriddhi.
Yes. But here it is, you can, sarvadhataka, adadhataka yoga, by that, you can make it. This is not example for this. This is just to explain Pukagama, I am doing this. Okay. This is not example for this sutra, 7386. Please note. 7386 sutra example, we'll see later. This is the example for Pukagama. I'll
Yes.
write here. Pukagama, otherwise you may get confused with this. Pukagama Udaharanam. Where Pukagama will come, for that only an example here. You can keep it if you want, otherwise we can delete also. So Dapi. Now Dapi will become Sarvadhataka Adadhataka Yo by that sutra, Dape. Then after that, Dape plus A will become Ayari Sandhi will become Dapai. Dapai plus A plus T, Dapaya plus T, you get Dapayati. That's the Nijanta Rupam. Okay. Now you see this Pakara from where it has come. This is the Pukagama. Understand?
Yeah, very
Now,
nice.
come back to
Because
this our sutra here. Yeah. What's the doubt?
no, not doubt. Just very excited to see because this form I have seen Dapayati is a very curious form of Nijanta. Now I understand why coming Dapayati this.
Dapayati, yes. Now let us come see the Pukagama here. That is, I'm taking the Dhatu, Hri Dhatu, which is given, in fact, in the Sutra itself is given. Where it is given? The sutra, what's the sutra? I just took it for example, 7-3-36. 3 dhatu is here. 3.
Yes.
Now that dhatu also, when now follows, what it will take? Pukagama.
Pugagama.
That's a good example. That is why I've taken here. So re plus nich. Now re dhatu will take Pukagama. Here I have written the sutra, 7-3-36. So Pukagama, where it will come? It comes Adyanta Takito Ante. This is Stani. Now Hri plus Nich. Now tell me what will happen by this sutra. This is Puganta. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is Anga. Anga is Pugantasya Angasya. Sarvadhatika Adadatika Pratayoho Parayoho. Here Ikahastane Gunadesha Bhavati. Here don't look for Rasvaikupada. That is different. This is a Pugantanga. Therefore, Re will become Hri will become Hre. Because it's a Pugantanga. Don't confuse with Rasvaikupada. Understand? That's why I'm repeatedly saying. Don't confuse with Rakva because this is Puganta. Pakara is because of the Agama. And therefore, Pugantasya Ikastane Gunadesha Bhavati, Hri become Hre, Hre plus E, Hrepi, now is a new dhatu, Sanadyantaha, Dhatavaha. Now we can decline in Latlakara by adding tip, then finally you get Hrepayati. Understand?
Yes.
This is the example for Pugantasya. Lagupadasya example, already we have seen Bididhatu. This is for Pugantasya. So two things are there in this sutra. Puganta, we have to look for whether it is Puganta or not. If it is not, if it is there, then Ikakastane, even if it is Puganta, then it has to be, Iklata must be at the Upada. Okay, that Upada will take, even if it is Dirga, it will take Gunadesha. Whereas this part is, there is no Puganta, but if Angakarya has to happen, then Lagu, the Upada has to be Rasva Lagu. Rasva, it has to be Rasva Ik. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Understand.
Okay, I think we'll stop here. Got to go now. It's on 2:45 classes there. I'll put it in our format later. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad. Thank you so much. See you.
Thank you, sir.